MetaTrader 4 profiting forex trading strategy. This is a simple strategy, and I've just combined two indicators together to come up with this winning strategy. This is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. So before you place any trade, always check a Forex Factory. If there's news for any particular pairs you want to trade before you trade that particular currency at that particular time, and make sure you stay away from that particular pairs 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after the news. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading Strategy. I would like to show you how to use this winning forex tools that I've combined together. I have these two indicators on my chart. Before I show you the settings for each of the indicator, let me show you how to use this MetaTrader 4 winning trading strategy. Now, number one thing you look out for is this two moving averages, this red column, not repeating moving averages, to change from red to green for a buy, from green to red for a sell. Before you place your trade, is as simple as ABC. The other indicator on the indicator window is just to confirm the trend. The major indicator we are using for this particular strategy is this moving averages that turn from green to red and red to green for a buy. Now at this particular point, we have this indicator turning from red to green at this particular point, but you are not going to place this trade until we have a confirmation from the other indicator here on the indicator window. So at this particular point, this is where you place your trade, where we have the two indicators in agreement, and you are not going to take this sell, this arrow pointing down, because it's against the main trend. Then you can place this also, this blue arrow, for a buy in continuation of the main trend. And this is how to use this particular strategy. And for a sell, you will only take trade in the direction of these moving averages. So at this particular point here, this turned to red at this point, but this remained blue. The indicator on the indicator window remain blue. So we are not going to place this particular trade until this particular point that we have a confirmation from the indicator on the indicator window, and at that particular point you can place your trade. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple and anyone can use it. Just make sure you follow the simple rules. Don't trade against the trend. At this point, as I said, we have the crossover or the changing in color of these two moving averages from green to red, and you cannot enter immediately because we have the second indicator on the indicator window still remain blue. So at this point, you can place your trade for a sell here, where we have the two indicators in agreement, and your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high. And at this point also, make sure you don't take this buy signal. The arrow does not repeat also. You take this sell in the direction of the main trend. Take this sell also. You only take sell in the direction of these two non repeating moving averages. And if you check it very well, this did deliver a good profit, and you can use this particular MetaTrader 4 strategy on any time frame you want. and make sure you trade on the regulated brokers, because some of the broker will go away with your money, and if they are not going to go away with your money, they will affect your trading. It's either they are slow or in executing trade, or they are slow when you want to close your trade. Make sure you trade with a regulated forex broker. In my video description, I dropped some link for some of the regulated brokers. Make sure you check them out and find out if they are allowed to operate in your region. Now let me show you the setting for each of the indicator used for this particular strategy. The number one indicator is this non-repeating EMA indicator that we have on the chart, and the first period is MA 100 and the MA2 period is 120, and this is the color just green and red, just green and red. So if you want to change it to any color, you can do that. Then the second indicator on the indicator window is this custom indicator, also this forex tools. So let me show you the values for this indicator. So these are the values. Just make sure you pause it and set it up accordingly. And you do not need to change anything except you want to play with the values for this particular indicator, and click OK when you are done. So I only have two indicators for this particular forex trading strategy. I only have two forex indicators for this particular MetaTrader 4 winning forex trading strategy. This is not repeating indicators. Make sure you practice it on demo account, and do chat me on my Telegram group, or you meet me now on my forum, tradingforexforum.com. We can communicate there and everyone can relate at that forum. The download link to this particular indicator or the indicators used for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you download it. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so, and do give me that thumb up if you really like this video. Bye for now.